I must also tell you a secret that Bosco shot this film more than I have. Out of 52 days, he shot for 27 days.
That's really
So this film belongs more to him than me. And I think we're supposed to play the video now. Just feel free to have a blast and dance. Enjoy the song. We'll play it again for you to click pictures and all of that. So have a blast.
Le gusta danza cuando estudio en la escuela. Pajarita se cubre de botín cuando visita a su abuela. Si necesita una amiga, debe hablar con un ratoncito. Si quieres ser mi amante, debe ser alta y delgadita. Lunes, martes, ratones, pez. Miércoles, jueves, todo. Lunes, martes, ratones, pez. Miércoles, jueves.
Behave yourself. Why dirty thoughts? It's a happy family film. The gun, there's only all this frills are flying.
It was wonderful. Your dance was really exuberant.
Thank you. It was only for you guys.
Exuberant performance. What preparation you had to do, Alia?
Asking me?
Yeah.
You know, I'll be very honest. The Gulabo was the first song जो मैं और शायद साथ में dance करने वाले थे and shooting and everything. So I was damn nervous, like, because I'm dancing next to Shahid. He doesn't even, like, even if he puts 10% energy, it look like he's putting 100% energy. So I was very nervous because I wanted to be like, okay, at least match up to him, like to 1% I know I'm going to be less, 3%, 4%. But I have to be at the same level, at least try.
Better than the other one. This Kida is there in all of these guys.
No.
No, you have this issue.
No.
Yes, you do.
Better even if I try, I can't be.
This is all rubbish.
Then you, in dancing.
We saw the video. Everybody has seen the video.
Why? No, this is... yeah.
These are...
No, but to answer your question, that I worked very hard and I'm very happy that you acknowledge it. But let me just point out, Shahid also really helped me. That you can ask, Bosco will second me on this, that there were moments where I was crying and saying, Bosco, why these steps, Bosco? He used to call me penguin feet. Okay, Alia and her happy feet. Because I just didn't know what to do, and Shahid would be like, okay babe, just slow down. Why are you doing that? Look at the energy, look at the mood, do that. So he really helped me. So Shahid, thank you.
Yeah, even I was wearing no thermals. Him were the only two people wearing thermals. Bosco has a habit of, so he disappears every 4-5 hours. And when you try and find out why, he goes for a change of clothes.
Look change.
Random change of clothes for no reason. He carries 4 pairs of clothes with him every day wherever he goes. So if halfway through this press conference you see him in new clothes, don't be surprised.
Okay.
Moving on to Gulabo.
Next question.
Shahid, on-screen chemistry between you and Alia is wonderful. I like to know what's the reason behind that.
I don't know. Actually, had no interaction with each other before this film started, and we actually met a couple of times here and there. And I mean, obviously I was in a part of her clique. I was a bit old for that. But eventually I think I don't know, we just reached set and it just happened, you know. I just really liked her as a person, and I
बस
felt
हो गया sir. बस हो गया.
हो जाता है, ऐसे ही होता है. And we just really got along, and I really liked the kind of person that she was. I felt she was very unassuming.
Was?
At that time, in context of when I met you for the first time, you're an even better person now. You're wonderful, Alia. Everything about you is so good. But yeah. We really got along. I honestly wondered whether we'd get along because we've, you know, not really known each other at all. But I don't know, it was great. I just feel like I maybe know her from another life types. I get that feeling.
Actually,
So-
I thought they'd been lying to me that they didn't know each other, because when I saw them on the third or fourth day of shoot, they were standing in one corner and talking for about 2 hours. They had one earpiece of the walkie on their ears. They were listening to music and talking. I said, "ये झूठ बोला है कि ये जानते नहीं थे एक दूसरे को." But yeah, I think they got along really well on the shoot, even though Alia was sneakily preparing on the side, which I can also vouch for.
Shahid, you must take back your statement saying that these new kids, if you're married, doesn't mean that you've grown old.
Thank you so much.
Yeah,
Very kind.
agree.
It's very kind of you. Thank you very much.
Wherever you are, I agree.
Yeah, this
Yes,
side.
I don't know my name.
Alia,
Deepika
yeah,
again,
Alia.
yeah, this side.
Alia,
Anji.
here,
Hello.
I want to ask you that you wore the bikini for the first time in this
No,
movie.
not for the first. In this movie?
Yeah.
In this movie, yes, for the first time, but in life, not for the first time.
But how comfortable you was in the shot?
I at that moment was not comfortable because it was very cold, but I was very happy.
Alia was not comfortable when this bikini shot was happening.
It was -2 degrees the way we shot the bikini.
The beach that they chose, which looks like any beach in India, which was -2 degrees when they shot there. And everybody was only freezing. I was actually wearing a ganji and I was wearing pants, but like I was bare feet and I was dying, so I can only imagine what happened. In fact, we have some footage on the making of this film with Alia
Yeah.
trying to give the bikini shot because she was told it's a mid shot, so she took her dungarees down only till here. So they panned down, her entire dungarees was still there. So it was very, very cold. When
It
she-
was, but I feel
It's going to
when,
come out in the making.
will it? So then you will see also. But for me, once the camera comes on, it's like anything can happen. That was nothing. Me and Shahid, actually, there's a sequence in the film where we were swimming in like minus how many degrees water?
-5.
-5, and we were very cold.
And we spent 2 days in there, and so basically Vikas had this very big smile on his face throughout that day, and I
ठंडी नहीं है।
was wondering कि इतनी खुशी क्यों दिखा रहा है. So we actually discovered that the water was -5, which is why he was trying to keep it so warm and happy because he knew what he's going to put us through.
Yeah, Vikas would come from the hill and say, "It's not that cold, na? You're fine, na? With muffler, jacket, socks, everything." And we're like, "Yeah, bro, we're fine. We're cool."
And I told Vikas, एक बार पानी में हाथ तो डाल. तुझे क्या पता? मुझे ठंडी नहीं लगती है. तू wrong आदमी से बात कर रहा है. But he didn't put his hand inside that water. Ever.
No, but Alia said, "What are we doing about this water?" So I told her, वो जो पुराने ज़माने वो गीज़र के वो नहीं आते थे, वो हीटर इलेक्ट्रिक डालने वाले पानी में, वो हम सब तरफ डाल रहे हैं, तो पानी हम गर्म करके रखेंगे तुम्हारे
हाँ,
लिए.
मैंने
And
believe
she
किया.
believed it also. She thought in that waterfall we're going to put those.
क्या कर रहे हो यार? अभी अभी बंद हुआ है. फिर से चालू मत करो.
So here's another one.
Shahid, this is the first time you were sharing screen space with your sister and you were getting to dance with her. How was the entire experience?
Actually, you know, he cast her without me even knowing about it. I don't know how, I think he met her through Mukesh Chabra. Yeah, so I think without telling me, my sister was wanting to be an actor and she was trying to figure out what to do, and she had gone and met Mukesh Chabra, and I think she met him and auditioned for the role even before I knew about it. And in fact, he called me up. Vikas called me up one day and said that guess who's playing Alia's sister in the film. And it's a really important role, you know. This film, it's me and Alia, yes, but there are a lot of really interesting characters which play very important roles in this film. And that's one of those roles. And he told me that my sister is going to be playing Alia's sister in the film. And I was actually shocked for a bit because you know how it is about younger sisters. You always feel like they've not grown up. So you feel like abhi to time hai, abhi to bachchi hai. But very amazingly, I think her and Alia actually kind of look like siblings somehow. I don't think you and me look like siblings at all, but somehow my
I
sister
hope
and you. Maybe if you grow up here.
And
it might
actually, the
happen.
amazing thing was that she came and auditioned without telling anyone who she is, where she from. She came like any normal person, auditioned, she got selected, and after that we got to know who she is. And that's when I called Shahid and I told her that it's your sister who will be playing that.
And the weird thing is that, you know, Vikas didn't seem excited at all about having me in this film. But he would be extremely excited when Sana got cast. He looked at me and said, तुझे पता ही नहीं वो कितनी अच्छी actress है. I am तो dying to start shooting with her. And I'd say, what about me? हाँ हाँ वो तो ठीक है. You know your dad has also said yes to the film. I'm dying to start shooting with him. So apart from me, Vikas was excited to start shooting with everybody else.
Heather release नहीं हुई थी तब तक.
Queen हो गई थी.
गुलाबों की बैचलर पार्टी में तो आपने बहुत गंद फैलाई है अब तक. अभी जो बैचलर पार्टी हमने देखी, आप अपनी रियल लाइफ में अगर बैचलर पार्टी होगी तो वो किस तरह की होगी, और डू यू वांट शाहिद विल बी अ पार्ट ऑफ योर बैचलर पार्टी?
ये विदाउट म्यूजिक है, आप सोचो विद म्यूजिक क्या होगा.
This is my bachelor party.
I don't think she needs anyone at the party.
Alia, whatever you're on, can I have it too?
Alia, baby, last night I had a bachelor party. I had a lot of fun with myself.
Yeah, that's the vibe.
Don't you want Shahid will be a part of your bachelor party? Don't you want Shahid?
We'll have Shahid be part.
I am very happy to be a part of any bachelor.
के ना 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 हाथ जिया पे मल मल तेरे छज्जे के नीचे.
Yeah, so that's the vibe.
I'm not going for this party.
You will be there in the center before anybody reaches also.
Can we show them what step Vikas loves to do? Come.
Okay.
Vikas, come Vikas. Whether it's like a really trippy track, or whether it's a 60s song, or whether it's a Hindi song, or whether it's a Malayali song, the one step that Vikas Bahl will repeat,
I only want them to feel
is 5, 6, 7, 8. All night. No, it's only one leg. Alia, it's only one leg. All night will do.
Cut.
Because you have to do it.
Don't you want Vikas to do this step once? Yes. Come on. Yeah.
Cut. I am the director.
Vikas शानदार से.
Nobody is taking you so seriously. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4. देने दादे दाके कटोल जाके हाथ जिया पे मल मल. यार मेरे next step. JK. Come on, you can't stop. One more round. 5, 6, 7, 8. तेरे छज्जे के नीचे ही खड़े हैं फंस गए जैसे दर्द. All night, Vikas Bahl, ladies and gentlemen.
Vikas,
I didn't know you sing so well. Actually, I don't know.
I was singing.
Oh, he was singing.
वो मन में गा रहा था, आवाज मेरे मुंह से निकल रही थी.
Okay.
Vikas, also, how's the preparations going on for Shahid's bachelor party?
Oh, we can't really talk about it. It's not Alia.
But Shahid, after 2 months of your wedding, bachelor's party हो रही है, कितने excited आप हैं?
We've decided to have an annual bachelor party for Shahid.
No, 1 second. I have said this time and again, my friends. No wedding questions. Okay? मैं यहाँ पे खड़ी हूँ.
Questions about
कोई question नहीं होगा.
हाँ जी. किसकी शादी?
हाँ तो even more. मेरी शादी के बारे में वैसे भी पूछोगे तो I won't give you an
क्या
answer.
होता अगर आप इनकी शादी के बारे में पूछते तो मैं खड़ा हो जाता. ये हमारी
vice versa.
हमारी फीलिंग्स हैं.
But it's going to be a wild night. हम गन फैलाएंगे शाहिद की बैचलर पार्टी में, उसको भुला देंगे उस रात के लिए कि वो शादीशुदा है. आलिया को नहीं बुलाएंगे.
Okay, whatever. Next question.
अरे पिक्चर का गाना लॉन्च हो रहा है यार, चुप हो जाओ. क्या पता करना है आपको? क्या पूछना है? पूछो. वन क्वेश्चन. कम ऑन, पूछो. अब पूछो. अभी कोई नहीं पूछ रहा है. किस चीज का गिफ्ट?
Turn around.
बर्थडे गिफ्ट विकास ने उनको दिया. उन्होंने उनको शानदार दिखाने के लिए बुलाया.
Actually, yeah, the gift was the शानदार.
वो आके उन्होंने शानदार देखी जो विकास ने मुझे अभी तक नहीं दिखाई. उन्होंने सिर्फ मीरा को दिखाई.
जो फैंटम हमेशा रियलिस्टिक सिनेमा बनाता है, तो ये फिल्म क्या कुछ रियल?
क्या रियलिस्टिक था क्वीन के बारे में?
शायद. पर ये क्या है ना, वो एक अनुराग कश्यप का रियल है और एक मेरा रियल है. मेरा रियल यही है. सब लोग नाचते हैं, गाते हैं, खेलते हैं, पार्टी करते हैं, गन फैलाते हैं. ये रियल सिनेमा ही है. Is that the real?
It's all inspired from Vikas Bahal's personal experiences. What about your personal experiences? हैं? बताओ पहले, आप तो बताओ. हैं? आप क्या करते थे अपनी जवानी में? गुलाबो, ओए होए, बता दो. जरा गंध फैला दो. है? हमारे पास एक और गाना भी है जो आपके लिए एकदम करेक्ट है. उसका नाम है रायता फैल गया.
So the way we see you in press conferences, are you really like this or?
I swear I'm pretending. They should answer this actually for you.
She wakes up like this.
It's unbelievable,
she doesn't
no?
sleep, so she's always like this.
So how do you guys like
No,
match
no,
up with
Ali,
her
you are
energy?
right. She is not like this. She has to be given a lot of these. वो क्या देते हैं वो हॉर्स को सुलाने के लिए? क्या होता है वो? ट्रैंकुलाइजर. इसको एक दो ट्रैंकुलाइजर देते हैं तो ये चेयर पे बैठी रहती है, नहीं तो ये फुदकती रहती है इधर से
So
उधर
you
बस.
feel like she's a female version of Ranveer Singh and
Who?
that Alia.
Baby,
She's not that.
I don't think she's a female version of Ranveer Singh. We would definitely not be sharing this chemistry.
Okay.
I can promise you that. Our mustaches would have only been stuck together. She's an original girl. Her name is Alia Bhatt and she's very original.
No, I'll be honest. I'm just too excited, yeah. When it's my film now, it's like my baby. I just get so excited. There are days when I'm like very low on energy. Also, I'm a normal human being. I'm not always like this.
There are days that you have where your battery is up and battery is down.
Correct.
But when battery is, जब battery charge रहती है तो आलिया ऐसी रहती है. This is.
So
her.
you don't plan on doing a tragic film or sad film or something?
I've done now one tragic film, and one is coming.
One is coming.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, members of the media, thank you for your questions. Members of the print media, last round of pictures. Shandar releases on 22nd October. Definitely looking forward to that.